Hello, welcome to Zhangjiagang City bottling machinery. And this is our plant. You can see the tank. And from the first part is the sugar melting tank. And this is the heating pot and to heating the sugar. And here you can from here. This is the pipe SUS 304. All the body is SUS 304. And here is the pump, sugar pump, and get the sugar melting liquid getting to the next part. And this is the double filter, and this to get in the misting tank. And this is the misting tank 1, and this is the misting tank 2. And so the sugar get in the tank and put other integrate in the misting tank, and the pump will storing the liquid to make the beverage. Okay. Now, the next one is the pump. Come here, and get the misting beverage to the cooling system. And this is the cooling compressor to make the liquid cold. And this is the cooling tank. And in the tank there's the cooling water, and the beverage get in the tank. It will get cold. So the next part is the carbonator. Is behind the cooling tank, but there's no carbonator here, and we can supply the carbonator. After carbonator, the water, the beverage will get CO2, CO2. So this is the beverage processing plant. Okay, and remember our company, Zhangjiagang City Bottling Machinery. Thank you. Bye bye.